The Central Florida real estate market is kicking off 2025 in an interesting spot. Median sales prices have nudged up about $1,000 year over year. Not exactly the wild increases we've seen in the past, but it's a sign of a steady, stable market. Before we dive into what 2025 might bring, let's take a moment to figure out where 2024 left us. Nationwide, the story is all about slowing demand. In Winter Park, for example, prices soared by 8% last year, driven by demand from high-end buyers and a lack of new construction. Windermere also saw solid growth at 3.3%, while Winter Garden held steady. On the east side, Oviedo managed a modest 0.3% appreciation. Meanwhile, areas like Davenport and Kissimmee were booming just a couple of years ago with second home buyers have started to flatten out as demand cools. So what does all this mean for 2025? I think we'll see buyers getting even pickier about where they invest. It's not just about affordability anymore. Things like schools, infrastructure, and lifestyle amenities are becoming bigger factors. Winter Park's high-end appeal, still going strong. Windermere, steady growth. But places like Osceola County could break away from the pack thanks to exciting developments like the Sunbridge expansion and the massive Waterland neighborhood in St. Cloud. This year might not be about big spikes or drops. It's more about finding balance. And that's going to create a lot of opportunity for buyers and sellers who are paying attention. As we dive deeper into 2025, several factors are shaping Central Florida's real estate landscape. Nationwide, experts predict a 9% increase in home transactions, bringing the total to about 4.2 million. While that's a modest rebound compared to past years, the forecasted 2% price appreciation highlights a stabilizing market that's moving forward cautiously. Locally, Central Florida is seeing a similar balancing act. Areas like Osceola County and Polk County have experienced diverging trends, driven by infrastructure and amenities, or the lack thereof. Osceola County is stepping into the spotlight thanks to new developments. With improved roads, schools, and recreational facilities, Osceola is becoming a hub for buyers seeking affordability without sacrificing lifestyle. On the other hand, Polk County, with its lower average sales prices, about 10 to 15% below other Central Florida counties, continues to attract interest. However, its slower infrastructure development is limiting growth compared to Osceola. This dynamic is critical as buyers now have more options and are increasingly picky about where they invest. As affordability remains a key driver, areas offering more than just a low price point are rising to the top of buyer wish lists. This shift highlights a growing demand for neighborhoods that deliver value across multiple lifestyle aspects. These evolving preferences are redefining the Central Florida market and setting the stage for the rest of the year. Before we dive into what's ahead for Central Florida in 2025, I want to share something special with you. We've put together the Sunshine State Handbook, a free resource packed with everything you need to know about living, buying, and investing in Florida. From local insights to real estate tips, it's your ultimate guide to navigating the Florida lifestyle. Download your copy today and let it be your secret weapon this year. All right, let's get back into it. Central Florida is gearing up for significant changes in 2025, with large-scale projects and investments poised to shape the region's future. These developments aren't just about creating excitement. They're driving jobs, boosting infrastructure, and laying the groundwork for long-term growth. Major initiatives like Disney's ongoing investments and the highly anticipated opening of Universal's Epic Universe theme park are already influencing demand. While theme park attendance has been relatively flat over the past year, the buzz surrounding these expansions is expected to energize both tourism and real estate markets as we move forward. Beyond the attractions, Central Florida is seeing significant investments in infrastructure. Projects like the $1.4 billion upgrade to Orlando International Airport, which includes new rental car facilities, and hundreds of millions of dollars going into the Camping World Stadium, are setting the stage for a more connected and competitive region. Additionally, the growth in aerospace, defense, and tech sectors is creating a surge in job opportunities, further strengthening the local economy. 2025 feels like a setup year for the monumental growth anticipated in 2026 and 2027. While many of these projects will take time to come online, their impact is already rippling through the market. Buyers and sellers should be prepared to navigate a landscape that's evolving quickly, with opportunities for both short-term gains and long-term investments. As these changes unfold, Central Florida continues to solidify its place as one of the most dynamic real estate markets in the country. Staying ahead of these trends will be key for anyone looking to buy, sell, or invest in the region this year. My team and I are here to help you navigate this evolving landscape. We're passionate about keeping you informed and ahead of the curve. So if you're ready to take the next step or just want to stay updated on everything happening in Central Florida real estate, reach out to us. Let's make 2025 a year of growth and success together. I'm Tom McNamara, and this is the Florida Real Estate Insider. If you found this video helpful, it would mean the world to us if you subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.